Hello and welcome to the Car Care Nut channel. In today's video, we're continuing on our series on how to maintain your Toyota, the DIY edition. In today's video, we're going to be covering wiper inserts. I've talked about wiper inserts long time ago in one of my general videos on how to maintain your Toyota. But today I'm going to show you how to replace wiper inserts. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Check out some of my other videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. And without further ado, let's get to work. To remove the wiper blade, use a flathead screwdriver. Go right here, pull this tab up, and then pull the wiper arm and pull the blade from underneath it. Always rest your wiper arm back on the glass because you don't want it to spring back and crack your glass. Do the same on the other side. Here's the wiper blade, and here's the replacement insert. You're gonna look at the wiper blade. Do you see how this section is raised right here? And this section is open. That's the section you're going to slide off. The raised section you're going to pull from. So we're going to hold the wiper like this and pull. Do you see how it pops off? Here goes the insert. That's the old insert. Now, when you do this, do you see how they have two metal rods that go through them? Right here. Pull the whole insert off the rods, holding the rods in their same position. Let's throw this one out. Do you notice how the rods have a bend to them? You don't want to install the new wiper like this, otherwise it won't clean right. You want to keep that. That curve is going to go toward the glass. So now, we're going to get our new insert, and you see that these have some cutouts in them. These cutouts are going to go to the side that is wide, like this. This is the wide side, and this is the flat side. So the wide side, we're going to want that curve to go toward the glass. This is the wiping section of the insert. So we're going to start it right here, like so. Put the other side in as well. Just like that, we're going to start it, and then we're going to walk it across the whole wiper. Just like that. Make sure it's seated. When it's seated, you won't see it anymore because now it's sitting in this groove right here. So then we're going to take it and we're going to slide it right here. See how it starts? Right there. It goes in that groove. Then the second one. Then the third one. Then as you reach the end, right here, you're gonna pull it hard and you'll feel it snap. And what snaps is the lock, which is right here. At this point, you're all done with this wiper. Do the same on the other side, and let's go install them back in the car. To install them back on the car, we're going to keep this tab raised up. We're going to pull the arm over it, like so. Let the arm fall in that space, just like that. And then slide the wiper forward. Just when it locks like that, pull the arm down, push it, do the same on the other side, and you're done. So there you have it, folks. That was very nice and simple. These wiper inserts are, and when used with the original wipers, of course, are the best wipers for your Toyota. I actually, in my personal cars, I replace these inserts every 6 months to a year, regardless if they're good or not. Because I don't know if you noticed, in this car, the owner missed when these wiper blades went bad, and they actually left a permanent scratch in the glass. You don't want to do that to your car, because then there's not really much you can do about that giant scratch in the windshield. Windshields are a lot more expensive than the wiper inserts. By the way, before I let you guys go, if your car has some kind of aftermarket wiper blades, I highly recommend you buy the original ones first, one time. They're going to be a little bit more expensive. But after that, all you got to do is put inserts and you're good to go, and you don't have to worry about it. Well, I hope this video was helpful and informative. I hope you learned something new. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to the channel. Check out some of my other videos. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and you have a wonderful day.